Governor of Manipur, Dr. Nachma Heptullah, today inaugurated new Operation Theatre of Obstetrics and Gynecology Department at Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIMS, through video conferencing. Governor Nachma Heptullah on the occasion said that the obstetrics and gynecology occupy a distinctive place in medical field as they serve for the well-being of the mother and child. Director of RIMS, Dr. Professor A. Santa said the dream of a separate Operation Theatre of Obstetrics and Gynecology Department at RIMS has come true. He further said the new Operation Theatre next to the labor room is utmost importance for the safety of newborn babies and the mothers. Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Minister Oinam LAKH today stated that smaller government departments are also playing a vital role in bringing overall development of the state. LAKH was attending a felicitation program at Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Sanzentong. The new coronavirus strain has sent alarm bells ringing across the world as the year ravaged by COVID-19 pandemic comes to end and we enter 2021 with the concern of the mutating virus that spreads at a far greater pace. After the new coronavirus strain showed up in the UK, several countries, including India, have suspended travel from the country. Media reports say that as more nations join the ban on flights from UK, scientists have urged caution and said although the new COVID strain spreads more rapidly, there is no evidence to say it is deadlier or has severe symptoms. India reported 23,950 new COVID-19 cases today, taking the total tally in the country to 10,99,066, according to data from the Union Health Ministry. With 333 fatalities in the last 24 hours, the death toll touched 1,46,444. There are 2.89 lakh active cases in the country, while as many as 96.63 lakh people have recovered from the disease. Rajasthan has become the 10th state to record over 3 lakh confirmed coronavirus cases. COVID-19 positivity rate in Manipur is gradually decreasing in the past few days. In the last 24 hours, 39 new cases were reported in Manipur. With this, the case tally has mounted to 27,723. The death toll in the state stands at 337. No COVID-19 fatalities were reported in the last 2 days in Manipur. The active cases are 1,458, while recovered cases stand at 25,928. The recovery rate in the state further rose to 93.52% as per the COVID-19 Command Control Room. The Border Security Force BSF and Border Guards Bangladesh BGB have agreed to share intelligence to combat trans-border crimes including terrorism and insurgency. Officials aboard BSF and BGB attending 5-day India-Bangladesh Director General DG level border talks underway in Guwahati said that both the sides have stressed on real-time exchange of information about the activities of the arms traders in both the countries in a bid to prevent the border crime including smuggling of arms and ammunition. The COVID-19 pandemic has reached Antarctica, the only continent to have been spared by the deadly virus so far. Chilean authorities announced that 58% tested positive for the virus in one of the world's coldest and sparsely populated continents, according to a media report. A total of 36 people at the Jean Bernardo O'Higgins Riquelme Antarctic base have tested positive for coronavirus till December 21st last. As part of war against drug in the state, CSOs, CADA and Auto Driver Union organized a mass anti-drug rally on the theme Making JIRIBAM a Drug-Free District, Making Healthy District. The rally covered different parts of JIRIBAM. Social worker Asem Babu provided 30 footballs to football enthusiasts of RFCC Kainau of Kainau Lam Ahingba ground under Oinam constituency today. The footballs were for a football coaching center for boys. Asem Babu also provided 10 footballs for a girl football coaching center organized by ICSA Irangban.